Hey, guess what? We're cooking in the kitchen. It's been a while. So let's show you our ingredients.
First, we got some honey, and then we got Greek yogurt, and then we got some pecans, and then we have some blueberries that are defrosting, and we have some strawberries.
Fresh strawberries.
And then we got a pineapple.
A fresh pineapple. All right, so she's put about 4 or 5 big tablespoons.
Add some honey.
And then we're going to add some honey just for sweetness. I'd say that about 3 tablespoons.
Mix it, right?
Mix it up well.
And we added another scoop because
We wanted more. She added another scoop of Greek yogurt. So now we got about 4 or 5. All right, now she's just going to pour it over top. This is all the parchment paper I had left. Use that spoon. Oh. Look at this is the pour side. It's called Cooking in the Kitchen and with my granddaughter. Just put the whole pile in there and then we'll spread it because we don't have that much parchment paper. Get it off? I'll give you a spatula. All right, so now we're just going to kind of spread it out on our paper. Not too thin. You don't want it thin. Remember, like we saw, we took this from a video we saw. Okay, spread this way. All right, we'll be back. Okay, so now she's just dropping her blueberries on. All right, so now she's going to do pineapple. Drop them in spaces. Okay, so now she's going to just sprinkle on her pecans. And then we're going to take it downstairs and put it in the probably deep freeze because my refrigerator freezer might be full. And it was supposed to leave it in there for about 4 hours.
And you can use any nuts. You don't have to use the ones that we
Right,
use.
and you can use any fruit you want.
Yep. These are just the ones we chose.
Yeah, and we'll be back in 4 hours.
Bye. Alexa, set a timer for 4 hours.
4 hours, starting now.
Okay, we're back. It's the next morning. Guess what happened?
We put plastic on it. You should not do that. No, no, no.
We put plastic. We covered the whole pan with plastic and put it in the freezer. And 4 hours later, it was what?
Creamy, like, still as we did.
At the front door.
The same thing as it was when we first started.
Right. So that, no, it was a little hard, but not hard enough to even break up. So now here we, look, baby. So now we put it up here in the refrigerator freezer overnight. So this is the next day, and it is absolutely wonderful. So if you want your kids to eat healthy, or some of your adults to eat healthy, very, very good. She was very impressed. Can't wait to make it at home. Episode with
Me?
and Dia.